Good afternoon. Chapter Vector Algebra, exercise 10.2, question number 14. The question is, show that the vector I plus j plus k is equally inclined to the axis OX, OY and OZ. Okay. So you have to find here direction cosines of the given vector, that is L, M and N. So let take the given vector A. So let vector A equal to I plus j plus k. I plus j plus k. Okay, I, j, k are the unit vector. Now magnitude of this vector equal to, therefore magnitude of A equal to under root 1 square, coefficient of I, j, k are 1. So 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square equal to root 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, root 3. Okay. Now L equal to x by magnitude of the given vector A, and x is coefficient of I, that is 1 by root 3. Okay. Then M equal to y by magnitude of A equal to 1 by root 3. Then N equal to z by magnitude of A equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Thus direction cosines, direction cosines of vector A are are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Okay, which shows that vector A is equally inclined to the axis OX, OY and OZ. Okay. Next question number 15. Find the position vector. Find the position vector of a point R, of a point R which divides the line joining two points P and Q, whose position vectors are I plus 2j, I plus 2j minus k, and minus I plus j plus k respectively in the ratio in the ratio 2:1. Internally and externally. Okay, so the question is, find the position vector of a point R which divides the line joining two points P and Q, whose position vectors are I plus 2j minus k and minus I plus j plus k in the ratio 2:1. Okay, internally and externally, both. In both the case, find the position vector R. Okay, so let R be the point. Let R be the point which divides divides the line joining the points P and Q internally in the ratio 2:1. Okay, the position vector of point R, the position vector of point R equal to are equal to 2:1, that means 2 into 2 into Q point is minus I plus J plus K, minus I plus J plus K plus 1 into, ratio is 2:1. So first point, that is P, I plus 2J, I plus 2J minus K. I plus 2J minus K divided by 2 plus 1, because the point is internal point. 2 plus 1. Okay, this equal to minus 2I plus I, that is minus I plus 2J plus 2J plus 4J plus 2K minus K plus K plus K. Okay, minus I plus 4J plus K divided by 2 plus 1, 3. By 3 equal to minus 1 by 3 I plus 4 by 3 J plus 1 by 3 K. Okay, this is the required point. Now number 2, if point is external point, then okay, let R be the point, let R be the point which divides the line joining, which divides the line, divides the line joining the points P and Q externally in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1, this is equal to 2 into Q point minus I, second point is minus I plus J plus K, minus I plus J plus K, okay, minus, because of external point sign is minus, 1 into first point is I plus 2J minus K, I plus 2J minus K, I plus 2J minus K divided by 2 minus 1. Okay, equal to minus 2I minus I minus 3I plus 2j minus 2j. Okay, that is 0 plus 2k minus plus k plus 3k plus 3k divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. So equal to minus 3i plus 3k. Okay, this is the required vector. Next, question number 17. Show that the points A, B and C with position vectors A equal to 3i minus 4j minus 4k. minus 4j minus 4k. Vector B equal to 2i minus j plus k, and C, vector C equal to I minus 3j minus 5k from the vertices. So these three vectors form the vertices of a right-angled triangle. Okay, to show that the points ABC with position vectors 3i minus 4j minus 4k, and B equal to 2i minus j plus k, and C equal to I minus 3j minus 5k form the vertices of a right angle triangle. Okay, so AB vector AB equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. Okay, so this is equal to position vector of B, that is 2i minus j plus k minus A, first vector 3i minus 4j minus 4k, 3i minus 4j minus 4k, 3i minus 4j minus 4k, so 2i minus j plus k. Okay, so this equal to 2i minus 3i minus I minus j minus plus 4j plus 3j 3j plus k minus plus 4k plus 5k. Okay, now magnitude of this vector, magnitude of AB vector, therefore AB magnitude equal to under root -1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. Okay, this equal to 1 plus 9 plus 25. This equal to 35 under root. This equal to under root 35. Okay. Now vector BC equal to BC position vector of C vector minus position vector of B. Okay, so this equal to position vector of C, that is I minus 3j, I minus 3j minus 5k, minus position vector of B, that is 2i minus j plus k, 2i minus j plus k. Okay, so this equal to I minus 2i minus I minus 3j minus plus j minus 2j minus 5k minus plus minus k, that is minus 6k. Okay, so minus I minus 2j minus 6k. Now magnitude of this vector BC, magnitude of BC equal to under root -1 square, that is 1 plus -2 square 4 plus -6 square 36 equal to 40 plus 1 41 root 41. Okay, this is BC equal to. Now CA vector, CA equal to position vector of A minus position vector of C equal to, this equal to position vector of A. Position vector of A is 3i minus 4j minus 4k, 3i minus 4j minus 4k minus C vector, that is I minus 3j minus 5k, I minus 3j minus 5k minus 5k, this equal to 3i minus I 2i minus 4j minus plus 3j minus j minus 4k minus plus 5k, so plus k, so 2i minus j plus k. Now magnitude of this vector, that is CA. CA vector magnitude equal to under root 2 square, that is 4 plus -1 square 1 plus 1 square 1 equal to root 6. Now AB square equal to AB square equal to 35. BC square equal to 41 and CS square equal to magnitude of CS square equal to 6. Okay, therefore AB square plus CS square equal to 35 plus 6. 35 plus 6 is 41. 41 and 41 equal to BC square. 41 equal to BC square. BC square. So therefore this imply AB square plus CS square equal to BC square. Okay, which shows that ABC is a right angled triangle. Okay, so this is the Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus CS square equal to BC square. So it is a right angle triangle. This proof. Thank you.